Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, if you have a BMW guys E46, this one will be the 3 Series guys from years 1998 to 2006 guys, and your speed control, also known as cruise control, doesn't work, stay with us and we'll show you guys which fuse you need to check. We'll guys have more than 200 videos on this car. Our mission guys is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, drop a comment, okay, and let us know what you think about the content, if it's helpful or not. So let us show you now, okay, where that fuse for the cruise control is located. So we need to go inside guys, inside the vehicle, and the fuse box is located inside your glove box. Okay, let me show you here quick. Okay, right here we have the glove box now, open like that. On top you have two things that you need to turn towards the outside, and your fuse box will drop down like that. Those are your fuses guys, so let's come like that. Okay, perfect, so I can show you a little bit better. Now we have two rows of fuses. You can see the top row right here and bottom row. The numbers for the first row are printed on top, for the second row on the bottom right here on the plastic, but it's hard for me to show you. The fuse guys that we need for the speed control, or known as cruise control, is fuse number 9 guys. So looking at it, okay, it will be this fuse right here. Now you need to grab your fuse puller, and how you get it out is push on top and pull it out. Get on the fuse now, on top of the fuse, squish towards the front side like that and pull it out. And this is guys the fuse, okay, right here. This is a good fuse. If that is good and you have a problem with the cruise control, we have a video how it explains what you need to test and how to perform the test. So please check it out, it will be on the channel. Also all the tools and parts, including the replacement fuses, all that will be listed in the description of the video below. So please guys, do check it out. Now I'm going to go ahead, install the fuse. Okay, you need to make sure that you push it in where it's supposed to go, and go ahead guys and put your fuse puller there as well so you don't lose it. Close the box and you'll be pretty much ready to go. Hopefully guys the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. Please hit that subscribe button for more videos and see you guys next time.